Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video we are talking about a Reef Finance coin, the May price prediction. As you know, today is the first day of a new month, and that is why I decided to make a new prediction of Reef Finance coin friends. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more news and updates friends. Now let's start the video. First of all, we look the current price of the Reef Finance coin. As you can see, the current price is about 0.039441 USD dollar is the currently price of Reef Finance coin friends. If we talk about the price change occur in the Reef Finance coin, so as you can see here, today is the new month first day. As you can see here, the price change occur as positive. That's a good news for all the Reef Finance coin hold the starting of the new month as positive friends. But if you look the currently last 1 hour price prediction, so only the last 1 hour change as negative friends. Now let's see for more details detection the price prediction chart of the last 1 day friends. That is the last 1 day price prediction. As you can see here, in the start of a new month only jumps occur on a refinance coin, but unfortunately if we look the previous last 4 hour, so the last 4 hour falling period of fall down for another time, and now currently at this time they again take a jump friends. So I hope it's a continuously jump of refinance coin. If we talk about the price change occur in the refinance coin, so the last 1 day change is about negative 0.21%, and the high price of refinance coin is about 0.041321 USD dollar is the currently highest price of refinance coin in the last 1 day friends. Now if we talk about the currently price at this time, live price of refinance coin in the market is about 0.039354 USD dollar is the currently price of refinance coin friends. Now what's the next move of Reef Finance coin? As you can see here, at this time the currently situation they are in the jumping move, so that is clear. That after, as you can see here, if we do a technical analysis, so let's suppose let's suppose that is our resistance level, and that is our support level friends. As you can see, they continue now the falls occur, so now after the falls they bounce with the support line, and now they take a jump friends. So I hope they break the resistance level and the resistance become support friends. So there is a 70% chances to they take a jump, because the entry of the refinance coin into new month as a jumping. So I think there is a lot of chances to they take a jump in the future friends. What's your opinion about refinance coin? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.